Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add money to PayPal from a debit card. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in PayPal, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding money to your PayPal account from a debit card is basically not available in some countries or specific regions and locations. But the thing is, if you have that option, all you have to do is go to your wallet, okay? And from here, we need to link a card or a bank, and that's going to be your debit card, all right? Click on it. Now, for example, you wanted to put in your debit card as the source of balance or income so that you can add money to your PayPal account, all right? But the thing is, again, it's not available in all regions. After doing so, once you have successfully linked your debit card here, you would be able to transfer on your account without any problem, all right? Now, the next thing is, if the debit card feature is not available on your region or specific location, I need you to go to the activity tab. And then from here, you can see that there's a send and request option. I need you to click on the request button. And what will happen is you can simply enter, for example, your second account on PayPal. If you're using a personal or a business account, that's a separate entity. Now, if you wanted to fund your PayPal with a separate debit card that is associated with your business account, all you have to do is type in the name of your account. In my case, that's going to be the owner of the channel. Enter that, and of course, now click on request from harvey@andyguide.com. All right, click on next, and you would be forwarded here on the section that you wanted to request money to, and that's going to be for a debit card, right? For example, I'm going to put in like $20 for now. And then the reason is, obviously, that's going to be adding money to PayPal from debit. And click on request payment. And that should be it. That's how you basically add money from your debit card here on PayPal. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.